What if I told you there was an animal that looked like a plant, had a backbone when it was young but lost it as it aged, and could filter feed like a sponge? Meet the stalked tunicate, Boltenia ovifera, a bizarre and often overlooked marine creature with an incredible evolutionary tale. But here's the real kicker. Could we one day farm these ocean oddities for food, medicine, or even space travel? Stay with me because this is going to get wild. Tunicates, also known as sea squirts, are some of the ocean's most fascinating invertebrates. They belong to the phylum Chordata. Yes, that means they're technically more closely related to humans than jellyfish or crabs. But here's the weird part. As larvae, they have a primitive backbone, a notochord. But as they mature, they undergo a radical transformation, becoming more like stationary filter feeders. It's like if a tadpole grew up and turned into a mushroom. Boltenia ovifera, our stalked tunicate star, thrives in the cold, nutrient-rich waters of the North Atlantic and Arctic. Anchored to rocky surfaces by its stalk, it passively filters plankton from the water, playing a crucial role in marine ecosystems by keeping oceans clean and nutrient cycles balanced. Think of them as the silent custodians of the deep. Now you might be wondering, why should humans care about these oddball creatures? Well, the answer is fascinating. In some cultures, tunicates have been harvested as a delicacy, particularly in parts of Asia. While stalked tunicates aren't on most menus, their cousins like the sea pineapple, Halosynthia roretzi, are eaten in Korea and Japan. Could Boltenia ovifera be next? Beyond food, these creatures have piqued the interest of scientists for something far more groundbreaking: biomedical research. Some tunicates produce bioactive compounds that could lead to new antibiotics and cancer treatments. Imagine a future where a deep-sea squishy blob holds the cure for diseases. But here's the catch. Human activity is making life tough for the stalked tunicate. Climate change is warming the oceans, shifting their delicate habitats. Pollution and microplastics are clogging their filter-feeding systems. And if that wasn't enough, invasive species are muscling in on their territory, outcompeting them for space and food. One shocking study found that microplastic ingestion in filter feeders can stunt their growth and reproduction. Imagine living in a house where the air you breathe is slowly poisoning you. That's the reality for these creatures. And if they disappear, we lose not just an evolutionary marvel, but a crucial part of the marine ecosystem. So what does our treatment of the stalked tunicate say about us? We're at a crossroads where our curiosity, consumption, and conservation efforts all collide. Are we going to be the species that learns from nature and protects it, or the one that exploits it until it's too late? If you found this deep dive into the weird and wonderful world of the stalked tunicate fascinating, don't let the conversation stop here. Drop a comment below. Should we farm tunicates, protect them, or leave them alone? Hit that like button if you love marine mysteries, and subscribe for more deep-sea discoveries. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Scene 7, outro, music fades, channel logo, end screen with video suggestions.